Wonderful morning to all my lovely kids. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. Kids, welcome in your EVS class with the wonderful thought. And our today's thought is always be grateful in all the things. Kids, in our English EVS class, we are going to learn a new concept of nature, nature and me. So, everyone, listen it carefully. Wow, what is this? So many trees are here. Beautiful birds, cute butterflies. What we called it? What do we call it? This is nature. Flowers, trees, butterflies, birds, and so many other animals. What do we call it? It's nature. And now have a look in this picture. What can see here? A sun, birds, and clouds, and rainbow also. So, what we can see in the sky? We can see birds, sun, clouds, and rainbow also. In the daytime, what we see? Sun. We see the sun in the sky during the day. The sun rises in the morning. The sun gives us heat and light. What gives? Heat and light. And kids, at the night time, what we can see? At night, we see the moon and the stars in the sky. There are large number of stars. We can see. Okay, now everyone, take out your theme book 2. Which book? Theme book 2. And open page number 1. First page number. You have to mention here today's date with the help of Penny the pencil. Nature and me. Miss Guinea wants to introduce different plants and animals to you. Now, what you can see here? There are so many animals. Parrot, deer, monkey, and duck also is here. Butterfly, fish, and what you can see? And what another things? There are so many flowers, trees, sun, so many things are here. So, in our nature, there are so many things. See, water is also here, lake and mountains, clouds, so many things are here. Now, everyone, revise it, take pic, mention date, and send in response group. Okay, kids? Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.